Hello friends, welcome back. Today's video is about Karela Pyaz ki Sabzi. It's healthy and tastes amazing with roti and rice. So let's get started. First we need Karela. So I have taken 250 gram of Karela, washed and then cut into thinly sliced pieces. See, this is how it should be. Now keep it aside and take 4 medium sized onion and slice it into long pieces, and this is also done. Keep this also aside. Now place a pan on the gas and heat 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using mustard oil and with that it tastes amazing. So once the oil is hot enough, add a pinch of heeng, then a teaspoon of jeera. Let it sizzle and then onions. Saute them for a while. Now add a little haldi, a teaspoon of dhaniya powder, half a teaspoon of red chilli powder and salt to taste. Now mix it well, and now we are going to add the sliced karela along with 2 slit green chilies. I have cut it into 2 pieces. Now give it a good mix and look at this color. Cover it and let it cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between, and after 10 minutes let's check. Yes, Karela is soft now. Now finally we are going to add the aamchur powder and 1 last teaspoon of dhaniya powder. Mix it well. Our Karela Pyaz ki Sabzi is ready. The aroma is something else, isn't it? And I'm telling you, this is one such sabzi which even kids can enjoy. So enjoy this with hot paratha, roti, and even with rice. What do you pair it with? Let me know in the comment section. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.